the most cost-effective and powerful foldable e-bike for under $1,000. Yep, introducing the new Engwe L20 2.0. This is the ultimate foldable electric bicycle that combines power, versatility, and comfort to revolutionize your riding experience. Whether you're commuting to work, exploring the outdoors, or just simply cruising around the city, the Engwe L20 2.0 is designed to take you farther, faster, and more comfortably than ever before. Crafted with high-quality 6061 aluminum alloy, the Engwe L20 2.0 is built to withstand the rigors of daily use while remaining lightweight and portable. One of the major differences between this version and the previous one is that this is a foldable bicycle, making it easy to store in tight spaces so you can always take your bike wherever you go. It's equipped with a 750-watt rear hub motor with a maximum power output reaching 1,125 watts. This bike offers exhilarating performance that will leave you wanting more. Whether you're cruising the city streets or tackling rugged trails, the Engwe L20 2.0 conquers any terrain with ease. Powering the Engwe L20 2.0 is a high-capacity 52-volt, 13-amp-hour lithium-ion battery, delivering exceptional range to keep you riding for longer. In throttle mode, you can expect to travel up to like 28 miles on a single charge, while pedal assist mode is going to extend that range to an impressive 84 miles, ensuring that you can tackle long-distance rides without worrying about running out of juice. It has a carrying capacity of 264 pounds with a 55-pound capacity on the rear rack. As you can see, this is the Onyx Black model. There will also be other colors available. One thing about Engwe is that we have these handlebars with additional pads to rest your hands, with the twist throttle on one side and a very easy-to-use 5-button controller on the left side. It also features a physical bell and, of course, the brakes. They are mechanical disc brakes, not hydraulic on this bike, but they still work excellently. It also has front suspension and seat suspension on the saddle, so yeah, you get a little suspension underneath here too when you're riding. As you can see here, the tires are fat, 20 inches by 3 inches. It also has a 7-speed Shimano gear shifter and is really designed for riders from 5'4" to 6'2", with handlebars that can be folded or extended even for the tallest rider. The great thing about this bike is that it's very accessible. So my wife has complained that most of the bikes I receive and test are all too tall for her. She loves this bike. The step-through, as you can see, is very low on this bike. It does have an integrated brake light with the bike, and even if you aren't using the front light, the brake light is still going to come on. That front rack can hold some things too. I mean, there's not much space, but yeah, it can hold some things. We have a full-color display and 5 levels of pedal assistance, just as I mentioned. Oh, and one thing about this bike and the previous Engwe that I tested is that they are powerful. This thing has so much torque and power that it kicks on instantly, which people really like. After riding this bike and comparing it to some of the others that I've tried before, I thought that this bike would probably be in the range of like $1,200 to $1,400. And surprise? I'm very surprised. The recommended retail price for this model is $999. But from the beginning to the end of March, I think, there's a $200 special for early buyers. So this bike is available for only $799, which is a great deal for a foldable bike with the power that it has, the range, the capacity, and just the amount of fun you can have riding it. Engwe continues to impress, and this accessible bike is exactly what someone can use with their whole family. Okay, maybe not like a young child because it's a 20 to 28 km/h bike, but for people who may not be as tall, they may prefer something that's not as heavy, and this is a very nice bike to start with.